If you're thinking about investing in ParishSOFT for your church management needs, here are 12 things you need to know before you make that decision. We'll compare it to some competitors along the way, so you can make an informed choice. First, ParishSOFT is a powerful tool for managing church operations, but it's not as user-friendly as other options on the market. If ease of use is a priority for your team, you may find the learning curve to be a bit steep compared to competitors like Breeze THMS, which is known for its simplicity and intuitive design. Next, it offers a range of features, including membership management, donations tracking, event scheduling, and financial reporting. However, the reporting features aren't as customizable as some competitors. For instance, if you need highly detailed and customizable reports, software like Planning Center may be a better fit. The third thing you should know is that ParishSOFT integrates well with accounting software like QuickBooks, which is a huge plus for financial management. But when it comes to integrations with other third-party tools, such as communication platforms or ministry-specific apps, it may not be as seamless as alternatives like Church Community Builder. Next, ParishSOFT's pricing is subscription-based, which can get pricey as your church grows. Some users have found that other platforms, like Tithe.li, offer more affordable pricing tiers, especially for small to medium-sized churches. The fifth thing is that while ParishSOFT is feature-rich, the support can be a bit slow at times. Compared to competitors like ChurchTrack, which is known for its excellent customer service, you might feel a bit frustrated if you need quick answers to issues. The sixth thing you should know is that it offers mobile access, but the mobile app experience isn't as smooth as some of the other church management apps out there. If you rely heavily on mobile access for your team, software like Planning Center may provide a better experience. The seventh thing is the level of customization that ParishSOFT provides for managing your church's operations. While it offers some flexibility, it's not as customizable as options like ACS Technologies, which allows for a deeper level of control over how data is managed and displayed. Next, ParishSOFT is focused more on traditional church management functions like donations and membership, but lacks some of the modern tools that other platforms include, such as church engagement and outreach tracking. If that's a key priority for your church, you might want to check out alternatives like Realm, which offer these features built in. The ninth thing to know is that ParishSOFT offers a good set of tools for child check-in, a necessity for churches with kids programs. However, when it comes to other ministry-specific features like volunteer management or small group tracking, it might fall short compared to solutions like Church Teams, which excels in these areas. The 10th thing is the learning resources available. ParishSOFT does offer training, but some users report that the resources can be a bit overwhelming or not as clear as those offered by competitors like Breeze or Planning Center, both of which are known for their user-friendly tutorials and support. Next, while ParishSOFT's donation tracking features are reliable, it lacks some of the more advanced giving tools found in platforms like Tithe.li, which provides features like text to give and customizable giving pages that integrate easily with your church website. The 12th thing you need to know is that ParishSOFT is a solid option overall for managing your church's basic operations, but it's not necessarily the most cutting-edge or flexible platform out there. If you're looking for something that's easy to use, offers more modern features, and is more affordable, there are other tools worth considering. That being said, ParishSOFT is a good option, especially for churches focused on traditional management features. But if you're looking for something that offers a bit more flexibility, modern features, and affordability, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.